Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Salem Cruise Lite 273 QB. We're going to take a few minutes, show you the inside and outside of this coach. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new 273 QB Cruise Lite camper. And kind of looking around here, you're going to notice some new things. New ceiling board, wall board, floorboards, countertops are different, faucet colors changed. A lot of changes for the mid-year model change. Wood colors, things like that. Up above the slide, there's an LED light there for decorative, kind of illumination there. This is the marble decor color. The U-shaped dinette changed up a little bit as far as the way the cushions and the backers are. Also, they added some doors on the front of the U-shaped section there for storage purposes, just to make it a little bit easier to get in and out of there. The sofa still makes a bed, folds down into a little jackknife sofa. There's some storage back in behind there also. Nice big panoramic windows in the slide. It's a bunkhouse camper, so the rear section will have a bedroom for the kids. The ever-chilled 12-volt refrigerator system there. It's a larger refrigerator than the gas-electric version that previously was standard in the unit. Traditional microwave, laminate countertops here. It's got the solid countertop look to it. It's a nicer little countertop setup. 3-burner stove top with the stove cover. Has the oven in it. Basically, it's a 16-inch oven. Couple drawers and some storage space there. Kind of looking back toward the front of the coach, that's your TV entertainment area. So you've got an electric fireplace. It's basically just a fancy electric space heater, but they look pretty. Radio system up there, indoor-outdoor speakers. Plenty of room for a large flat screen TV to be mounted to the wall right there. This one was ordered with the larger 15,000 BTU air conditioner instead of the 13.5. So that is something to kind of check out when you're looking at the camper for different options and stuff like that. Over here to our right is going to be the bathroom here. So we'll open this up here for you. Bathroom is a little smaller on this unit. Again, it's trying to be shorter and lighter weight and stuff like that. So to fit all the sleeping capacity in here, a little bit of space was sacrificed in the bathroom. But you do have the skylight up above, the shower surround, little tub for smaller kids. Get your toilet, some storage space area, sink, electric outlet all in here, medicine cabinet. And there's a little roof vent there with a fan in the bathroom area. Going back toward the back area here, there is your electric box, your breakers and fuses, little drawer down there, little storage space here. It's a great place for your towels, washcloths, all that type of stuff, or some of the kids' clothes. There's a swing door on the kids' room back here, so you could sleep 4 people back here fairly comfortably. USB charger ports on the wall. Kind of an L-shaped bunk area back here. And you've got another jackknife sofa, so there's storage underneath of there. Over on this side, there's another little cabinet area here. Some more USB charger ports. Also the TV area. So a pretty decent little room for the kids. Going up into the master bedroom area. Another swing door here. Hanging closet on both sides of the beds. A little shelf across the top section there. Windows on both sides of the bed do open. There's also TV hookups up here, so you could mount a TV to this wall if you wanted to. Plenty of room to walk around the bed. USB charger ports on both sides of the bed. And the bed does raise up for storage. It goes out into the outdoor storage compartment, plus some little cubby holes down here, and a little more storage below them. Back in here is a little storage area on both sides of the bed. Some controls up there for your awning, your slide, some of the lights and water heater buttons and stuff up there. We're going to head on to the outside here and show you a little more detail on the outside of the unit. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these new videos on the new models. Alright guys, back here on the outside of this new 273QB Cruise Lite, you're going to notice a little bit of difference in decals and a little bit of color. They threw a little more splash of blue into some of the decals, but it still has the basic aluminum exterior, wood frame construction. So not a lot of that part changed other than a little bit of graphic stuff. There's a solar prep here on the front section, pass-through storage, a lot of storage area here. They're doing the heavy-duty scissor jacks with the JT strong arm support. That makes the coach a lot more stable. Has the nicer step. This step is designed to come down, touch the ground. It supports more weight. Also helps keep the camper from shaking when the kids are running in and out. Just a little more stable than the ones that come and just kind of hover out. Power awning, standard on the coach, has the LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for water tilting and runoff and stuff like that. Traditional entry door with the radius top and screen door. Water heater located right there, freshwater tank fill located there. Furnace exhaust out above the tires there. Outdoor speakers up top. Stove exhaust. Tandem axle, has four-wheel electric brakes on the coach. Back here you can see again more jacks in the rear of the coach. Electric outlet located right there. Little outdoor kitchen feature here, stove. Basically it's a propane stove system, little grill system, and a little electric refrigerator. That refrigerator is strictly electricity, so it does not work off of propane or 12 volt. It's strictly electric. And there's a little water hook up here, so you got a little hose set up there, and it plugs in right there, so you could have a little, I want to say about a 10-foot stretching water hose, basically right there. Unit is pre-wired for a backup camera on the rear end of the coach. The gas hookup for that stove is actually right there on the lower rear part of the frame on the right hand side. That's where you plug in your gas line hookup. Spare tire mount and cover. The roof is also crowned on the top. You can kind of see the arch in it there for a little better water runoff. It does have the little gutter extensions on the ends of the gutters just to kind of help push away the water a little more, to help kind of keep it from possibly leaking or black streaking over time. Black tank flush, another nice new feature for the model change. They did not have a black tank flush previously. Dump area here for your gray and black tank. Power cord pulls out right here. You can see the slide system. It is an electric slide system. Don't forget again, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs. Another new thing they're starting to do, they're starting to put these little brackets up here, which has to do with some slide topper prepping feature. So it makes it a little easier for the dealership to put slide awning covers on the unit. So if that does interest you, be sure to talk with your salesperson about that feature. Over here, you're going to find a little more information about the camper. basically going to kind of tell you this particular unit was built on 8/1 of 19. This is one of the first early versions of the mid-year model change. 2020 and a half, a lot of us dealers refer to them as, just because the early 2020s look different. Two 3,500-pound axles, ST 235 75 R14 D range tires. Tells you your model number, VIN number, all that type of stuff. And you have a gross vehicle weight of 7,680 pounds. So the gross weight includes your tongue weight and your axle weight. Keep in mind, those are two completely different things. On the front section here, you kind of see it's nice and rounded back. So it's just a little more wind aerodynamic. Two 20-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack on the front. There's also a battery disconnect down here. Battery goes right here in this section. And this customer chose to do the optional Blue Ox Sway Pro hitch system. Great hitch system to talk to your salesperson about. Then it tells you down here your dry weight. This unit was 6,117 pounds the way it sits. Again, guys, check out couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV.